Hi and welcome. Today we're going to be working on firming and strengthening our cheek muscles and reducing and smoothing out these smile lines over here. So let's get started. This is one of my favorite exercises to strengthen and tone the muscles here in our cheek area so they don't sag and so they just kind of become a little bit more lifted. So what we're going to do is make an O shape with our mouth. And then we're going to hide our teeth here with our lips. And then from that, we're going to go to a smile. So it kind of looks like this. And then we're going to go back and forth like this 10 times. And what this is going to do, you're going to start feeling like these muscles here are going to get engaged. And this is exactly what we want because this is strengthening and toning these muscles right here. So let's do this now. Wonderful. This exercise takes a little time to get used to, so keep practicing. But one of the things that's really important is that you're only working the cheek muscles here. You're not kind of engaging the eyes or the forehead or anything. You're just really working on the cheek muscles. So the next exercise is also wonderful for kind of plumping up our cheek area a little bit here. So we're going to place 3 fingers on top of the lip here. You're going to have air puff out your cheeks like that. And when when you do this, you can get these lines here. That's why I always like to put my fingers here. But we're going to start tapping our cheek area here. And you want to start tapping on the areas where you feel like if you have some smile lines, you want to focus a little bit more there. If you're feeling like your cheeks are starting to sag a little bit here, focus more on this area right here. So it looks like this. And then we go on the other side. Wonderful. This is going to increase that blood circulation and really just kind of tone and firm our whole cheek area here, lifting this whole area. So your cheeks should feel a little bit more alive now. So next we're going to work on our jaw and our chin area.